Number 10. The Castillo de San Marcos. The Castillo de San Marcos, Spanish for St. Mark's Castle, is the oldest masonry fort in the continental United States. It is located on the western shore of Matanzas Bay in the city of St. Augustine, Florida. The castillo was designed by the Spanish engineer Ignacio Daza, with construction beginning in 1672, 107 years after the city is founded. Number 9. Dry Tortugas National Park. Dry Tortugas National Park is a national park in the United States, about 68 miles 109 km west of Key West in the Gulf of Mexico. The park preserves Fort Jefferson and the 7 Dry Tortugas Islands, the westernmost and most isolated of the Florida Keys. The archipelago's coral reefs are the least disturbed of the Florida Keys reefs. The park is noted for abundant sea life, tropical bird breeding grounds, colorful coral reefs, and legends of shipwrecks and sunken treasures. The park's centerpiece is Fort Jefferson, a massive but unfinished coastal fortress. Fort Jefferson is the largest brick masonry structure in the Western Hemisphere and is composed of more than 16 million bricks. Among United States forts, it is exceeded in size only by Fort Monroe, Virginia, and Fort Adams, Rhode Island. Dry Tortugas is unique in its combination of a largely undistributed tropical ecosystem with significant historic artifacts. Number 8. Busch Gardens, Tampa. Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay is a 335-acre African-themed animal theme park located in the city of Tampa, Florida. The park is owned and operated by SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment and has an annual attendance of just over 4.1 million a year, making it the second most visited among all SeaWorld Entertainment. Number 7. SeaWorld Orlando. SeaWorld Orlando is a theme park and marine zoological park in Orlando, Florida. It is owned and operated by SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment. When combined with its neighbor Discovery Cove and Aquatica, it forms SeaWorld Parks and Resorts, Orlando. Number 6. Daytona 500 International Speedway. Daytona International Speedway is a racetrack in Daytona Beach, Florida, United States. Since opening in 1959, it has been the home of Daytona 500, the most prestigious race in NASCAR, as well as its season opening event. In addition to NASCAR, the track also hosts races of ARCA, AMA Superbike, IMSA, SCCA, and motocross. The track features multiple layouts including the primary 2.5-mile high-speed tri-oval, a 3.56-mile sports car course, a 2.95-mile motorcycle course, and a 1,320-foot karting and motorcycle flat track. Number 5. Everglades National Park. Everglades National Park is an American national park that protects the southern 20% of the original Everglades in Florida. The park is the largest tropical wilderness in the United States and the largest wilderness of any kind east of the Mississippi River. Number 4. Miami Beach Architectural District. The Miami Beach Architectural District, also known as Old Miami Beach Historic District and the more popular term Miami Art Deco District, is a U.S. historic district designated as such on May 14, 1979, located in the South Beach neighborhood of Miami Beach, Florida. The area is well known as the district where Italian fashion designer Gianni Versace lived in a mansion on Ocean Drive. It is bounded by the Atlantic Ocean to the east, 6th Street to the south, Alton Road to the west, and the Collins Canal and Dade Boulevard to the north. Number 3. Universal Studios. Universal Studios Florida is a theme park and production studio located in Orlando, Florida. Opened on June 7, 1990. The park's theme is the entertainment industry, in particular movies and television, especially Universal's entertainment. The park encourages its guests to ride the movies. Number 2. Kennedy Space Center. The John F. Kennedy Space Center, KSC, originally known as the NASA Launch Operations Center, located on Merritt Island, Florida, is one of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration's 10 field centers. Since December 1968, KSC has been NASA's primary launch center of human spaceflight. Number 1. Walt Disney World. The Walt Disney World Resort, also called Walt Disney World and Disney World, is an entertainment resort complex in Bay Lake and Lake Buena Vista, Florida, in the United States, near the cities of Orlando and Kissimmee. Opened on October 1, 1971, the resort is owned and operated by Disney Parks, Experiences and Products, a division of the Walt Disney Company.